Right now, the real estate market is insanely busy and cluttered. Now, that's a great thing because there's lots of opportunities for you as a real estate agent to go out there and help your buyers, help your sellers, and build a great business. But it also poses a problem because there's a million other people just like you who want to be real estate agents or who are going after the same buyers and the same sellers. So if you are one of the agents who is a part of the clutter right now, and how I define clutter in the real estate agent market is you have a website that you threw up that has your pretty face on it, has IDX and MLS listings on there, just the same ones that your competitors do. It might have a mortgage calculator and some other things up there, just like your competitors do. How do you then separate and stand out from the rest of the competition? Well, we're proud to announce AgentCarrot to the marketplace. We've been waiting for it for quite some time. We're crazy pumped to be working with you, with real estate investors, real estate agents, to help you help more buyers and help more sellers sell their homes and buy homes. Now, how do we do that? The way that we really focus here at AgentCarrot, at Carrot, to help you is this. We help you do that through content. When someone lands on your website, when someone sees your ads, or they meet you in person, they basically look at a few different things. Do they have a service that can help me out? Can they list my house? Can they sell it? Can they bring good buyers? Do they have a good service? The next thing they always look for is, are they an expert? Can they really help me? Are they the best person to work with me? That's where content comes in. We do that through a few different features. We have video posts that we launched recently that helps you shoot really short, simple videos that help you be an expert in your market. And then our system automates turning those into written articles that help you get ranked well on Google. That's just one part. Then we have our content marketing system where you can queue up articles on a weekly basis that our team writes. They help you crack through that clutter and become the expert when people land on your website. Now they're not just landing there and looking at the same properties that everyone else looks at or the same pretty photo. They're looking at the articles that are crafted in your place or by you even with your videos that help you stand out as the expert. Next, the other things we help you do as a real estate agent is you can put your IDX and MLS properties on there. So that's an amazing thing, but we make them look amazing. We make them look amazing on mobile. We make them look amazing when people are coming over from Facebook, and we craft the whole experience the Carrot way. We do it with our high conversion methodology. We also do it with our SEO tools and our training built in, just like everything else that we do here at Carrot. And we're bringing all of our expertise over from the real estate investing market, where millions of leads have came in, far more than any other online marketing platform in the world for real estate investors, for buyers and sellers. We're doing the same thing for real estate agents now. And we're excited to be able to work with you and have that opportunity. Because to win out in this market, it's not just getting more properties in front of people, it's getting more of you in front of people. So you can be the person that stands out to them as a person they want to work with, that they know, like, and trust, and that you're the only viable option for them to reach out to when it comes time for them to buy or sell a home. Just go ahead and check it out. Go to our plans and pricing page. You can get AgentCarrot today. If you're already an AgentCarrot member, you've got a bonus. If you're on the advanced marketer plan, you can upgrade and add on AgentCarrot for a discount. And there's some amazing features coming down the pipe too. So we're insanely happy to announce this launch with you and for you. And let's get rolling. Hit us with feedback. Go to our pricing plans page and join today.